Hello everyone, and today I'll be talking about you getting started in programming. If you don't know where to start, this video should help you go in the right direction. Let's start. The world of programming is big and confusing, and people who new or don't know about programming must start with this first decision. What language to start with? There is no straight answer because it depends. There are a lot of programming languages and each have strengths and weaknesses. The one is right for you depends on what you want to make. Keep in mind that no language does things perfectly. For example, C Sharp is a good starting point if you want to go with game development. It is the main language for Unity Engine, and it's not only for game development, it is widely used across for web, application, mobile, and game development as well. I know that I'm a bit biased here since C Sharp is the language I use and Unity Engine is the one I use, but C Sharp is not only easy to use, but it has a good diversity. As we said, it is widely used to develop for PC, mobile, Mac, web, or anything you might want to. And C Sharp isn't much different from other languages like Java or C++, so if you want to change later, it won't be difficult. After you choose the language you want, you will need a code editor. Modern code editors help you with writing your code properly, debug and build your program. Now every code editor will need an IDE, Integrated Development Environment. There is a lot of code editors to choose. Personally, I use Visual Studio Code. After doing all these steps, you need to focus on the language you choose to improve more and be more capable. Now, you will need a framework because building something from scratch is very challenging. The framework will be our tool and we will use it to build our program. Now, if you want to go for game development, I advise you to use and to start with Unity Engine. It's free to use and easy to pick up. It uses C Sharp as its programming language and has the .NET framework, and you can use many code editor with it. But it advises to use Visual Studio Code since you can download it from the Unity Hub. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video and I would like to see you next time.